Hey guys, welcome back to another Noble tutorial. So this one's quick. Everyone's been complaining lately. YouTube did something a couple days ago with notifications, and now all of a sudden we're being just bombarded with notifications. All of a sudden they're actually working, and I'm getting told, hey, this video's out. Hey, this video's out. Hey, this video's out. So first of all, thank you YouTube for fixing that. Haven't heard anything from them, but it's overwhelming, so a lot of people are being affected by it. So I figured I'd come and show you guys how to fix up your show here. So this is on mobile first. We'll go over PC next. But on mobile, what you want to do is you want to go up to the corner there. It'll bring up all your account stuff. You go down to your settings. And if you look in your settings and you go down to notifications, you have all of your notification settings in here. So you can actually just turn off your notifications, period. Just period. You can turn it off. You can go to manage notification settings for each subscribed channel. We're going to go into that. Recommended videos. I'm actually going to turn that off because I actually can't stand that. I'm surprised that's on actually. Activity on my channel. This is about comments and other activity. You can turn that notification off or leave it on if you want. I leave it on because I like knowing when people comment on my videos. Activity on my comments, I have that turned off because it can turn into a world of spam. Activity on other channels, that kind of stuff. Shared videos and product updates. I actually have no idea what this is, so I'm going to go and turn that off. Bad tutorial. But anyways, here is the whole thing. So now when you come into here, you're going to find all of the channels that you've subscribed to. And as you can see, I'm actually not subscribed to that many channels. I only actually sub to channels that I want or that I watch actively or that I want to see in the future. Now this list goes up and down all the time. If you have thousands and thousands of subs, like I know a lot of people do, don't see the point in it, but hey, it's your own YouTube, right? There is no button to go and do this all at once. But as you can see, I'm a big fan of Neebs Gaming up here. So if you go over to the bell, it'll actually give you 3 options now for notifications. You can go for all notifications. I want to know when the content creator releases them all. I can go to occasional or I can go to none. There we go. Bam, you won't get any notifications for that channel at all. You may as well just unsub at that point. There's really no point in subbing. But I'm going to actually go ahead for Neebs Gaming here and do all because honestly, I like their content and I really want to watch it when it comes out. Now there's this bottom one here too that says include creator post. What those are the posts that you see where it's like a little bit of an update, kind of like Twitter, right? But within YouTube. That's newer. If you haven't seen it yet, go to my main channel page and you'll actually see it under channel. There'll be a bunch of like little updates and stuff so I can keep in touch with you guys. But that's basically it. You'd have to go through each and every single one to tell, I want notifications for this channel. Today I found out I'm actually going to go with all for that one too because I want them all. Now, if you're subscribed to a guy named Skippy0330, you definitely want to go to that bell and let's go here. Oh my God, I'm doing it on the wrong screen. There we go. I have this on 2 screens, so it looks exactly the same. I'm going to go ahead to go to all because I want to know when 7 Days to Die is being updated. And bam, there we go. All okay and done. And it says you'll get all notifications. Now it's going to take you a while if you have a whole ton of subs. Actually, at this point, guys, I really recommend going through and just unsubbing the channels you don't watch. Do them a favor and do yourself a favor, right? Alright, so we're over at the PC side, right? There's a few things we need to go over. This is the community tab I was telling you guys about that you can turn off notifications for, or you can say you get notifications. I like to keep you guys updated every once in a while. But once a week, I let you guys know, hey, this is what's going on. I'm absent, or this is what this week's schedule is like, a whole bunch of stuff. And then I ask you guys, like, there's polls and stuff we can do, right? Great way to stay in touch with your community as well. But you can turn off those notifications if you do find them annoying. Now, what you want to do is you want to go up to your icon up here again, and you want to go down to settings. Also, guys, this is where you can turn on and off your dark theme. I actually don't like the dark theme that much. I actually like the lighter theme a little bit better, but you can actually turn your dark theme off and stuff there. Just another little helpful hint. But you go down to settings here, and it'll bring you to this page here. So if you go to notifications, it's going to bring you to this screen. This is where you can select a little more than you can on the phone. I wasn't able to find any areas on the phone where you can do this type of stuff. But you can ask it to send me emails about my YouTube activity. I don't mind that because I have it all going into one folder. You can ask it to do general updates, announcements, videos, or just my YouTube channel, updates, announcements, and personalized tips. So that'll help control your email a little bit. Unsubscribe emails. Click the unsubscribe link at the bottom of the email if you don't want to receive it anymore. So you can stop that as well. that way. But here is the big one right here, channel subscriptions. You'll always get notifications that you've turned on for individual channels. Then you can click on that button. We're not going to do that yet. But this is where you can select, I don't want email, or I don't want push, right? So you can go email only or push only. And what push is it'll notify your phone, or it'll come up if you have it set up in the corner of your browser if you have an update, right? Which I actually don't mind. I have it come up in my my browser. But I'm going to keep it on push and email. Down here is where you can control your comments and activities. I only have activity on my channel or videos. I literally just cleared this right before I started this, so my notifications get all the hands sometimes, so I turn the other two off. So basically, we've gone over that real easy. You can go to manage my subscriptions, and this is basically the exact same thing you've seen on mobile. You can go over to the bell and select all, occasional, none, or the creator post like I showed you earlier. So I hope that helped you guys out. I hope it wasn't too long, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, definitely hit that like button, guys. I will do more tutorials in the future. I know I'm mostly a gaming channel, but I kind of want to branch out a bit. So it's been awesome. Once again, guys, stay classy. Always back up those game saves, and I will see you in the next episode. Peace out, and have a good one.